This is Explore Superfoods Nutty Cocoa Bowl. We have 1/4 of a cup almond milk. This is our acai. Comes in these packets. Then a frozen banana. Now we are going to add our cocoa powder. We're going to save some of the peanut butter to put on top of the bowl after it comes out. As you can see, we get a really nice and thick bowl. So now that we have our bowl, we're going to get a nice little top so we can put our toppings on there. Use some Cacao Nibs. Emphasize the chocolatiness. Finally, some peanut butter. This is our nutty cocoa bowl.